Hi, lovely people. How are you? So, I let's start this over. If you read my title, I'm going to be unboxing the Vellabox. Now, this is a new subscription for me. I was sent this for review, but you guys know my opinion, my reviews are always honest. Oh my God, and get it together. You guys know, but what was exciting and the reason why I want to do it because this is a candle subscription. I love candles. I don't know what that face was, but I really, really love candles. Besides makeup, I love a good smell. Am I blurry? What is going on? Let's see. I do. I love a good smelling house. I love it. I have candles everywhere. So when I read out what it was, I was so excited and I was like, yes. But I always say I always do honest reviews. But before we begin, because I do get a lot of people ask me what is on my eyes, and I have the new Huda Beauty in the Emerald palette. This is the green one right there. So that's what I have it on my eyes, and I have our Ultra lipstick in Verona, I believe, with the e.l.f. lipstick called Kiss Me or something like that, and then lip gloss on top. So that's what is on my face. Anywho, I took some notes, and I want to tell you a little bit about this subscription because, like I said, this is new to me. So I do know what the notes that I took that I read up on. It is an all-natural subscription. It's a candle subscription. They offer 3 monthly subscription boxes. The first one is the Lucerna box. It is $10 a month, and you would get 1 4-ounce candle and a special gift. And that's about 25 hours of burn time. The second subscription you can get is Ignis. That is $20 a month. And that you get 1 8-ounce candle and a special gift and about 50 hours of burnt time. Or you can get the most expensive one, which is the Vivere. I believe I'm saying that right. That is $30 a month. But you get 1 4-ounce and 1 8-ounce candle and a special gift, about 75 hours of burn time. I'm not sure what they did send me because I have not opened it yet, so we will see that together. It says all of our candles are high quality, non-toxic, lead-free, and hand-poured from the candle makers. Each month you have your own theme, matching the package and style to the scents of the candles and the time of the year. They also partner with a different lifestyle brand each month for a special gift in the box, so that's great. And they offer the option to buy candles from their favorite brands without subscribing. So that's good. So they also have like a little candle shop. So that's everything that I've seen about this box. So let's get started. It comes with, I already took it off with like a brown bag on top of, on the outer packaging. It was not taped up. So let's see together. So this is what it looks like when you open it. Actually, this is really pretty. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patient. Ralph Waldo Emerson. That's really pretty. So I like how these candles come. So this has to be the $30 one. So you get an 8-ounce and a 4-ounce. But look how they come packaging, guys, in their own little bags. And they are really nice. They're like canvas. Like, they are really, really good. And I guess the theme, because it's getting close to maybe Christmas or fall, And then you have a few things on the bottom. So let's see what we have. So this is a black tea. Okay, so the black tea and Earl Grey. So I guess they partnered up with Ahmed Tea right here. So that's good that they put things in there so that you can try, which is great. And it comes with a little card that's on the bottom. So let's put that box down. Featured favorites. So this is Banter and Bliss Candle Company. Okay, so Ahmad Tea. It doesn't say what the price would be. But there's codes and everything I will put down in my description bar for like 20% off and different things. So let's start with the small candle. And see, these are really, really nice bags. Okay, so this is what it looks like, the lid. This is an amber antique. Let's smell it. Ooh, That smells good. So that's what it looks like. Oh my God, that smells really good. It says, let's see. This is a luxurious combination of ginger, I definitely smell the ginger, pepper, and allspice on a base of amber, musk, and woody notes. Oh my God, I love this. I smell the amber too. This is, I can't stop smelling it. This is really, really, it smells so good. I don't know how it is when you burn them because this is just a first impression. But if you want, after I burn them, I will give you guys an update on how that is. And so let's see. This is the 8 ounce. Okay. And this is Amber Antique. Did I get like 2 of the same scents? Because there were a few that you could have got. You could have got the what is this? This is Banter and Bliss Candle Company. That's what this is. Amber Antique or Bamboo Citron. So okay, so this is the Amber Antique. Okay, this is the Amber Antique, and yeah, they're both Amber Antique. What is going on? So let's see. Let me see if it's the same. It has to be the same, but they smell a little different. This one smells a little different. They both smell really good. Coconut wax blend, hand-poured luxury candle made in Los Angeles. Oh, they are from San Diego, I believe that it said the company is from San Diego. So, yeah, I guess I got both of them Amber Antique. I wish I would have got the Bamboo Citron one. Oh, okay. You only get that one in the Vivere box. But isn't this the Vivere box? Let's see. Let's see which one this is, the $30 a month one. Yeah, the Vivere box, $30. But I didn't get it. I got both of the same ones. So I should have got the Bamboo and Citron. Let me make sure. Again, I am so confused. So this says Amber Antique. And this big one, it says Amber Antique. So I got 2 of the same ones, which I'm not knocking it. It was free. I didn't pay for it, and it smells good. But here is the card. So I should have got an Amber Antique and the Bamboo Citron because I got the Vivere package. But that's okay. I am not complaining. I like both scents, so maybe I'll keep this one and put this smaller one in a giveaway. Let me know if you want me to do that, and that way you guys can test it out for yourself, whoever wins. But I will leave all the information down in the description box. I do like the fact that of a candle subscription. I really do. But let me know what you guys think. Is it worth it that you get, for $30, 2 candles, you get some tea or whoever they team up with that month. The bags are really nice. Let's see what it says again for the $10. I have everything on my phone. So for $10, you would just get one of this right here, and then you would get whoever they partnered up with. For the $20, you get just this one here, and then for $30, you get both of them, plus that free gift. So let me know. I mean, it is homemade. It's hand-poured. Let me know what you guys think. It smells really, really good. I'm serious. Anyway, guys, that is it. Like I said, I will leave all the information down below. Please like this video if you like unboxings. That way I know to keep doing them. Make sure that you're subscribed if you haven't already. And I always leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.